Today we're filming feeding cats in this resort.
Yeah, you heard me. We're feeding cats.
It's nighttime and it's very dark. It's way darker in real life than what it seems on camera. We have no idea where the cat is. There's billions of frogs and toads and bugs everywhere. I'm pretty sure there's quite a few spiders too. And we can't find the cat. There was a cat here. I'm pretty sure there's only one cat in this entire resort.
Is it flash bar?
It was over here, exactly.
Yeah, we're more than one person, and also, if I sound echoey, I'm in the bathroom. That's why.
What, can you? I see. Oh, so cute. Is that Chillalo? Yeah. Oh. I know, but I don't think it's that loud though. I thought I saw a snake there. It was just, yeah, it's just reef. Now we move carefully. The convoy moves carefully. We got around three people.
Chop.
Brother, you lied. There's no snakes.
Okay.
Opening.
By the way, all of this is a different language. It's Bangla. I'm going to change it up to, yeah, I'll translate it. So yeah, you can read it.
Oh, by the way, one lace chip, like Nana got the teen tap. Like,
oh, hey, I'm not killing him.
Hey, so I'm not driving around to boli.
Yeah. We're gonna guess
তুমি জোরে যাও এটা
lace chips.
কি জানি ওইদিকে হিস করলো
ও আসলে তার বিড়াল
The beetle. It could be a snake too.
probably a snake.
Yeah. I see. Yeah, he said yeah.
এটা ছোট না
নামদের গাড়ি এত সিম্পল দেখতে
গাড়ির এখানে কেন আসছি
ও বিড়াল
বিড়াল দেখতে আসছি
এক্সপ্লোর করবে না
No, we're trying to get chips. That's why.
ও চিপস আছে
টিপস কোথা থেকে যাবে
In the car. Yo, 2 minutes. You've been filming for 2 minutes.
কোনদিন ব্যাংক খাইছিস এটা আপু
Nah, I can't China, bro. That's disgusting.
কচ্ছপ
Bro, this guy trying to say, have you ever eaten?
ছোটখাটো ব্যাংক কচ্ছপ দুইটাই
Yeah, watch it. He's trying to say if you ever ate a frog or a turtle. I don't want to eat turtles. They're
Your
so
dad
cute.
ate both, bro.
I know. I don't want to eat turtles. They're so cute.
His dad ate turtle soup.
I'm gonna kill him. Don't you dare eat my turtles.
Your dad ate them.
Ew. No, my pet turtle. Tutle.
এখান থেকে আবার
Yo, what is happening actually?
হয়তো সায়ান village.
Actually,
ওই তো
For real,
সামনে
bro.
দীপুর এখানে
for
মিড
real.
দ্য ওয়ে দীপুর এখানে আসো
You're part of the convoy,
Even
right?
ও যেন কবর শুনতে সাথে চলে বলছো না
What the hell? There's a graveyard behind us.
কথা বলবো না কোনো
okay turn around and let's start walking
Okay, the convoy starts. We got 2 cameras now. 2 cameramen.
আসছে ওরে তো বলছো আসতে আসতে
2 cameramen. Actually, 1 cameraman, 1 camera woman. She's legally a woman.
না ও হলো কি ক্যামেরা ট্রেন্ড
What? What does that mean?
never dies guys
তুমি তো ক্যামেরাম্যান না তুমি ক্যামেরা ট্রেন্ড
What's a trend? I said woman. What's a woman? Camera unisex.
তুমি এখানে আসছো কেন
No idea.
ওয়ান ড্রিঙ্ক I'll buy some drinks
You have money? I have 500 taka.
I have.
No. I left 500 taka and it's next to the sink. That's not good.
Drinks come on
Oh, I'm praying. Praying my money. Yo, can we just listen? Where home to she? Wait, is the fridge off?
আমি মার্কেটে খাইতে হবে তোমরা খাও
Yo. Okay. What are we drinking tonight?
মোজো
Yeah, mojo.
মজা কত করে
And oh my, ew, fresh. Fresh is crazy. No one drinks fresh. I'm normal.
নিচেরটা আর নরমালটা
নর্মাল হবে না ঠান্ডা
না এটাই মজা নরমাল
It's literally normal, basically.
এটা 50 টাকা
স্প্লিট
I have money back at
Can we just charge the room?
Where's it?
Okay. Alright. We're going back. We're getting the soda later. Yeah, we're getting the soda later. It's time to go back to explore. Yeah, when we're gonna eat dinner, then yeah.
No.
Yeah, sure. No. I don't want. That's the driver's rooms, bro. Why? Oh,
They have ovens, they have like
they have microphone.
ও ওই ইস্ত্রিগুলো আছে লাইক ওই যে জামাগুলো দিতে হয় আর ওগুলো চাপ দিলে ওগুলো ফুলে উঠে
Damn, they have the most advanced stuff ever. Wait, you went there?
হ্যাঁ
That's crazy.
ওদের রুমে লিটারালি
I'm zooming in with the touch button.
ওদের রুমে লিটারালি এলজি এসি আছে আর আমাদের দিছে জেবিসিও কি জানি ব্র্যান্ডের
Vico
পেলে না পেলে
plane. There's a plane coming. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but yeah. This is a 6 minute long video. Damn.
যে ভয় পাইছি
I did not get scared of it.
তুমি আমি আসলে ভেঙে
I'm not scared. I'm not scared. If I die, I die.
ভেঙে গিয়ে bro thinks he's tough, bro.
If I die, I die.
Bro thinks he's tough.
I don't think I'm tough. I'm just saying, if I die, I die. I really don't care.
Wait, guys, it kind of
If I die, I die. If I die, I die. I probably wouldn't survive the life ahead anyways, bro. I'd probably be poor. I'm bad at studying.
start walking. 3, 2, 1, go.
আমার পিঠ এখনো জ্বলছে
Candle.
ওই যে স্যারের কাছে মাইল খাইছিলাম
Oh, school?
লাইক একটা টেস্ট ছিল লাইক বোর্ডে লাইক কি টেস্ট
What's wrong with him?
আসলে এক্সামের আগে স্যার একটা ছোট এক্সাম নিতে চাইছিল পার্সোনাল ওই এক্সামে লাইক সবাইকে পড়ে আসার জন্য 2 উইকস টাইম দিছিল
Wait to flash দিও না
2 উইকস টাইম দিছিল এখন ওখানে হলো গিয়ে পরীক্ষায় আমি
I can't control the flash.
এক্সাম তারপরে আমি লাস্টে ছিল লাস্টে না একটু মাঝখানে দিকে ছিল হলো গিয়ে অ্যাঙ্গেল AOL
Bro. There's gonna be like snakes around there. I'm not going there.
ওখানে ছিল অ্যাঙ্গেল AOL বাট অ্যাঙ্গেলটা এল এর মতন লাগছে তো আমি আর 2 মিনিট পর পরীক্ষাটা শেষ আমি তখন স্যারকে জিজ্ঞেস করছি লাউন মানে কি অ্যাঙ্গেলটা লাইক অ্যাঙ্গেল AOL আর অ্যাঙ্গেল সাইনটা এল এর মতন লাগছে আমার কাছে কারণ আমি পরীক্ষা
Look at that field.
লাউন মানে কি
Y'all can see. Wait, let me zoom in with a touch. Yeah. iPhone 16 Pro Max. No Pro. Whatever.
same thing bro
No, not the same. Difference. The gaming is so bad on this, bro. The performance is crazy.
trash bro
Second camera woman. No, first camera woman. And only 2.
তুমি যে
You are.
I'm a cameraman.
Congratulations.
I'm Wait, let me zoom in with a touch. Yeah. iPhone 16 Pro Max. No Pro. Whatever.
same thing bro
No, not the same. Difference. The gaming is so bad on this, bro. The performance is crazy.
trash bro
Second camera woman. No, first camera woman. And only 2.
তুমি যে
You are.
I'm a cameraman.
Congratulations.
I'm cameraman.
I'm proud of you for coming out.
I'm cameraman.
I'm proud of you for coming out.
You're camera woman.
Who said I am?
না ক্যামেরা স্ট্যান্ড
What is it?
I
Oh,
am, man.
now I get
Be a
it.
cameraman. Be a normal guy.
ক্যামেরা স্ট্যান্ড
Camera dude.
Cameraman.
Camera dud.
Cameraman.
Camera dud.
Just use it normally.
Camera dud.
There's no you. There's like no
Camera
reason
ladyboy.
to.
There's water going here.
Straight disrespectful. Do not use that term.
What term?
Ever.
What?
Lady boy.
হাই লেডি বয়
Okay. What does that even mean?
It's used as an offensive slur, especially against women in Thailand.
Oh, damn.
হাই লেডি বয়
Bro.
Lady boy doesn't know.
Bro's
দেখো
racist.
Lady boy, এখানেও নাই তো।
সুইমিং পুল ভর্তি দেখ
Yo! First a shower here in the open so everyone can see us. Yeah, everyone can see us naked. Yeah, perfect. I'm sure everyone will love them, themselves being seen in them,
বিদেশি
and they'll have no privacy. I'm sure everyone will love it. This place is actually creepy. That thing looks like there's a ghost in it. That thing is so creepy. This place. Oh, I'm being left behind. The convoy's making me left behind. I'm the back man. There's so many toads in here, bro. Let me show you one of the toads.
কি ওখানে একটা
Oh, দীপরা আগে এখানে ছিল না, এখন এইখানে আস্তে আস্তে পানি বেরোচ্ছে. Yo, there's a toad. There's a toad chilling here. Yo, their eyes like glow in the water. There's literally 5 here. 5, 6. I already see 6. Okay, no more this way because I think it's deep. Look. They're actually everywhere. Look. I've seen 6 so far in this pool. There's 6 in this pool. By the way, the pool is waterproof, so nothing will happen if it falls. Yeah, let's just hope it doesn't. Because the pool is very cracked.
whatever আমরা সুইম করতে পর একটা ফ্রগ এসে আমাদের গায়ের উপর জাম্প করলো
Don't bother it.
Why you bother it? Why you bother it? Don't touch my frog.
তোমার ফ্রগ কিভাবে
He's my
তোমার
friend.
হয়ে
He's my friend. Oh, he's a turkey. So cute.
that camera looks bomb
Yo, his eyes are glowing. I think he has night vision. He definitely has night vision, bro. He's so cute.
Just said ribbit.
Ribbit.
এত চিল কেন
He's so cute. Yeah, I've never seen. Oh, he's actually drinking water. Look, you can see. He's like moving his lower neck.
that's not drinking bro
So this guy has become a celebrity.
Yeah, this guy is definitely a celebrity.
He's so chill.
I know. He's the chillest toad I've ever seen.
He's the chillest guy.
Look at that. He's moving. Ew! The bark feather just fell.
You deserve it. Low key.
What did I do?
Low key.
you scared away the cat
What did I do?
So cute. Okay, let's go back.
No, it's so cute.
Deep bro.
Don't bother my friend.
I showered him
He doesn't need showering. There's a pool next to him.
He doesn't. Ew. This stuff here. Where's the cat? We're gonna try and find the cat again. Yo, this is a 12-minute long video. How am I supposed to edit this?
push
What's a puss? Oh, I just fell. What's whatever? What is a puss?
push
Oh, booch. Bro, that cat's gone, bro.
don't you scared it away
He's gone. I don't think we can see him in the daylight. We'll never see him again. Actually, no, we might find him tomorrow. I'm posting this after we go from this hotel because I'm showing our rooms, so I really don't want to get kidnapped or something. I don't want to show where we live or something. So I'm gonna post this after we go. Actually, I'm gonna edit this.
শিয়াল ডাক সেসব শিয়াল ডাকে দেখো
Yo.
শুনো
We hear a fox.
আচ্ছা এইদিকে যাই সেই হবে
There's foxes here. There's bulls. There's cows. There's foxes. There's everything here.
শিয়াল ডাকে আমি একটু আগে শুনছি অনেক
Amir, that's a
Yeah.
helicopter. No, it's just cracking.
ওটাই তো ওকে ডাকছি আমি যেন ও
La da 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 ihu.
তোমাকে মারবো কিন্তু।
Thank you.
রাতে একটা ঝড় হলে সেই হবে
Oh hell yeah.
Bro, this place is haunted, bro.
You
ও হ্যাঁ
scared of
পাশে তো
this?
কবরস্থান পেছনে
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
literally haunted. Start praying, guys.
কেন কি হবে
Auzubillah minash shaitan.
Whoa, bro. We need the cats start to protect us. Cats protect.
The cat's running, man.
No, bro, the cat.
Not even the cats with this place.
Yeah, that's what I'm. Okay, bro. Now I've censored that. Now I have to censor that.
My bad,
He stopped. He was like, that's what I'm saying.